Have you ever pondered why your eyes feel dry, irritated, or constantly fatigued after 60 years of age? Many individuals assume that dry eyes are simply a normal part of the aging process. However, the reality is that your diet directly impacts the moisture levels and tear production in your eyes. The encouraging news is that certain foods have been proven to decrease dry eyes by up to 99%, thereby restoring natural hydration and safeguarding your vision as you grow older. Unfortunately, most people are unaware of these straightforward natural remedies. In this video, we will uncover 6 powerful foods that can significantly enhance dry eyes after the age of 60. These foods do not just offer temporary relief. They work internally to enhance tear quality, reduce inflammation, and prevent long-term eye damage. Whether your dryness is mild or severe, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a noticeable difference in how you see and feel. Stay tuned until the end, as what you consume could be the key to eliminating dry eyes for good. By the conclusion of this video, you will have a clear understanding of which foods have the greatest impact and how easy it is to start incorporating them into your diet today. Let's begin with number 1, omega-3 fatty acids. One of the most effective ways to combat dry eyes is not through eye drops, but rather by consuming omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, present in foods such as salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, play a crucial role in keeping your eyes lubricated and reducing inflammation in the tear-producing glands. Research indicates that individuals who consume sufficient omega-3s experience fewer symptoms of dry eye syndrome. Unfortunately, many individuals over the age of 60 do not consume an adequate amount of these essential fats, leading to unstable tears that can evaporate quickly and cause chronic dryness and discomfort. To obtain these beneficial nutrients, consider including fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel in your diet, as they are rich sources of omega-3s that the body easily absorbs. Additionally, plant-based options such as flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and soybeans are excellent choices. If you do not consume these foods regularly, a high-quality fish oil supplement can help bridge the gap. Increasing your intake of omega-3 fatty acids could be a simple and effective way to alleviate dry, tired, or irritated eyes and maintain long-lasting moisture and eye health. Moving on to number 2, vitamin A-rich foods. A common reason for worsening dry eyes with age is a deficiency in vitamin A nutrient crucial for stabilizing the tear film and preventing eye surface dryness. Insufficient vitamin A can hinder tear production, resulting in constant eye irritation, redness, and discomfort. Including more vitamin A-rich foods in your diet can significantly enhance tear production, ensuring that your eyes remain naturally moist and comfortable. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and butternut squash are excellent sources of vitamin A, as they contain beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Leafy greens, like spinach and kale, along with eggs and dairy products, are also beneficial sources. For individuals who struggle to consume enough vitamin A through food, a high-quality vitamin A supplement can be a helpful addition. Adding more vitamin A-rich foods to your diet can be a game-changer for individuals experiencing dry, light-sensitive, or irritated eyes, as this nutrient is essential for eye hydration and protection. If you find these insights valuable and are still watching this video, please comment number 2 below to indicate your presence. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest content. Your support allows us to continue producing informative videos for you, content to inform and inspire you. Now let's move forward. Number 3, hydrating foods with high water content. When most people think about dry eyes, they focus on eye drops or medications, but what they often overlook is one of the most fundamental causes of eye dryness: dehydration. Your body needs enough water to keep your tear glands working properly, and if you're not staying hydrated, your eyes will be one of the first places to suffer. The problem is, as we age, our natural thirst signals weaken, making it easier to become dehydrated without even realizing it. That's why adding hydrating foods to your diet is one of the easiest ways to keep your eyes naturally moist. Think about someone like Richard, an 81-year-old who never drank much water throughout his life. He always assumed that if he wasn't thirsty, he didn't need to drink. But over time, he noticed that his eyes felt gritty, especially in the mornings, and he often woke up with blurry vision that took longer to clear. At first, he blamed it on aging, but after his doctor suggested increasing his water intake through hydrating foods, everything changed. Within weeks of eating more cucumbers, watermelon, and celery, his eyes felt fresher and the constant dryness disappeared. Your tear film is made up of 3 layers: oil, water, and mucus. When you're not properly hydrated, the water layer becomes too thin, leading to fast evaporation and discomfort. Dehydration also reduces blood flow to the eyes, making it harder for nutrients to reach the tear glands. This results in unstable tear production, leaving the eyes feeling tired, irritated, and overly sensitive to wind or bright light. So, which foods help the most? Cucumbers, watermelon, and celery are among the best, because they are over 90% water and packed with electrolytes that support hydration. Oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers are also great choices, since they provide both hydration and vitamin C, which helps reduce inflammation in the tear glands. Even foods like broth-based soups and yogurt can contribute to better hydration, helping maintain tear volume and moisture levels. If your eyes often feel dry, scratchy, or tired, you might not need more eye drops. You might just need more hydration. Eating water-rich foods can restore moisture to your tear glands, keeping your eyes naturally refreshed without relying on artificial solutions. Making this one simple change can help prevent chronic dryness, protect your vision, and improve overall eye health for years to come. Number 4. Antioxidant-rich foods, lutein, and zeaxanthin. One of the most overlooked causes of dry eyes is oxidative stress, a process where harmful molecules called free radicals damage the delicate tissues of the eyes. Over time, this stress weakens the tear glands, leading to unstable tear production and worsening dryness. But here's the good news. Certain antioxidants, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin, help protect your eyes from this damage and keep your tear film strong. These 2 powerful nutrients filter out harmful blue light, reduce inflammation, and improve overall eye hydration. Take someone like Eleanor, a 76-year-old who loved reading but found herself struggling with eye fatigue and dryness after just a few pages. She assumed it was just part of getting older, but after learning about the power of lutein and zeaxanthin, she started adding more antioxidant-rich foods to her diet, especially eggs, kale, and bell peppers. Within a few weeks, she noticed a huge difference. Not only did her eyes feel less dry, but she could read for longer periods without discomfort. What she didn't realize was that these antioxidants were helping strengthen her tear glands, allowing her body to produce better quality tears. Lutein and zeaxanthin are naturally found in the macula of the eye, where they absorb blue light and reduce oxidative stress. Without enough of these nutrients, the eyes become more sensitive, tear production declines, and inflammation increases, making dry eyes much worse. Studies have shown that people who consume enough lutein and zeaxanthin not only experience less dryness, but also maintain sharper vision as they age. So, where can you get these essential antioxidants? Eggs are one of the best sources, as they contain both lutein and zeaxanthin in a form that is easily absorbed by the body. Dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are also excellent choices, along with yellow and orange vegetables like bell peppers, corn, and squash. Even pistachios contain small amounts of these powerful nutrients. If your eyes often feel dry, irritated, or fatigued, especially after screen time, your body might be lacking the antioxidants it needs to protect your tear glands. By eating more lutein and zeaxanthin-rich foods, you can strengthen your eye health, reduce dryness, and keep your vision. If you are still watching this video and finding the insights valuable, please comment number 4 below to indicate your presence. If you have not subscribed yet, I suggest subscribing and turning on the notification bell to ensure you do not miss any future videos. Your support enables us to continue creating informative and inspiring content. Moving forward, let's discuss the benefits of incorporating nuts and seeds rich in vitamin E into your diet. One of the primary reasons why dry eyes deteriorate as you age is due to damage to the tear glands caused by oxidative stress over time. The small glands responsible for producing tears become weaker and inflamed, resulting in lower tear quality and increased evaporation. However, a simple solution to this issue is consuming more vitamin E-rich foods. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that shields these glands from harm and helps maintain optimal tear production. By incorporating more vitamin E-rich foods such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts into your meals, you can nourish your eyes from within and prevent the worsening of dryness. Take Henry, for example, a 79-year-old man who dealt with burning and irritated eyes every evening. Despite trying various remedies such as eye drops, humidifiers, and prescription medications, he found no lasting relief. It wasn't until a friend recommended adding more vitamin E-rich foods to his diet that he noticed a significant improvement. Within a few weeks of consuming more almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts, his eyes felt more comfortable, the constant irritation vanished, and he no longer relied on artificial tears every few hours. Unbeknownst to Henry, vitamin E was aiding in the repair of his tear glands, allowing them to produce higher quality tears. Vitamin E plays a crucial role in protecting the eye cells from oxidative stress, a major contributor to age-related eye issues. Without an adequate intake of vitamin E, the tear glands deteriorate faster, leading to increased dryness, irritation, and discomfort. Research has shown that individuals who consume sufficient vitamin E experience fewer eye problems, including dry eye syndrome, cataracts, and macular degeneration. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are excellent sources of natural vitamin E that the body readily absorbs. Additionally, avocados, spinach, and olive oil are great alternatives, offering a blend of vitamin E and other antioxidants that promote long-term eye health. Incorporating a handful of nuts daily can provide prolonged protection for your tear glands. If you frequently experience dry, inflamed, or irritated eyes, increasing your vitamin E intake could be the missing component to alleviate your symptoms. This potent nutrient works to protect, repair, and hydrate your eyes, aiding them in functioning optimally for years to come. Moving on to the next topic, probiotic and gut-healthy foods play a significant role in addressing dry eyes. Surprisingly, the root cause of dry eyes may stem from your gut health rather than directly from your eyes. The health of your gut is closely linked to inflammation levels in the body, and when your gut is imbalanced, your eyes are often affected. Studies have shown that individuals with poor gut health experience more severe dry eye symptoms, while those who consume probiotics and gut-friendly foods tend to have improved tear production and reduced inflammation. A healthy gut helps regulate immune responses, preventing inflammation of the tear glands, which can lead to dysfunction and inflammation. Consider Judith, an 80-year-old woman who had long battled with dry, irritated eyes. She attributed these issues to aging, but also experienced frequent bloating and digestive discomfort. Unbeknownst to her, her gut health was contributing to her eye problems. After incorporating more probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kimchi, and kefir into her diet, she noticed remarkable improvements. Not only did her digestion enhance, but her dry eye symptoms also diminished, leading to an overall increase in comfort. The connection between gut health and eye health lies in the immune system. Inflamed gut can trigger an immune response that harms the tear glands, resulting in unstable tear production and worsening dryness. By enhancing gut health, overall inflammation decreases, allowing the eyes to remain naturally hydrated. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir introduce beneficial bacteria that aid in reducing inflammation throughout the body. High-fiber foods such as oats, beans, and leafy greens nurture these healthy bacteria, promoting better digestion and immune balance. Even fermented foods like miso and pickles offer potent anti-inflammatory benefits that support tear production. If you frequently experience dry, irritated eyes, especially alongside digestive issues, improving your gut health through probiotic and fiber-rich foods could be the missing link. By incorporating more of these foods into your diet, you can enhance digestion, reduce inflammation, and ultimately improve the health of your eyes. If you are still watching this video and finding the information valuable, please comment number 6 below to indicate your presence. Additionally, if you have not already subscribed, I recommend doing so and turning on the notification bell to ensure you do not miss any future videos. Your support allows us to keep creating informative and inspiring content. Now, let's delve into some final thoughts. After exploring the benefits of these 6 powerful foods, take a moment to reflect on how your diet may be impacting your eye health. While many people attribute dry eyes to aging, it is evident from our discussion today that diet plays a crucial role in maintaining moisture, preventing irritation, and safeguarding your vision in the long term. These foods not only aid with dry eyes, but also promote overall health by reducing inflammation, enhancing circulation, and optimizing bodily functions. You may have experienced dry eyes after extended periods of reading or screen time, or waking up with a persistent gritty sensation. Instead of relying on temporary solutions like artificial tears, consider addressing the issue internally by increasing your consumption of omega-3s, vitamin A, hydrating foods, antioxidants, vitamin E, and probiotics. By making these dietary adjustments, you can naturally improve eye health without the need for medications or frequent eye drops. Remember, your body has the capacity to heal itself. You just need to provide it with the right nourishment. By incorporating these beneficial foods into your diet, you can restore moisture to your eyes, boost tear production, and safeguard your vision in the long run. Not only are these foods delicious and easy to include in your meals, but they also offer health benefits beyond eye health. We appreciate you joining us today and would love to hear from you in the comments section. Share one thing you learned and how you plan to implement it in your life. Your feedback is invaluable to us and serves as motivation to continue creating informative content. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you with us in our next video.